Aloha. So today is what May something. It's Sunday after Mother's Day, and so far we opened up a new area, but there was a trail right there where somebody came in, and whoever it is, they're playing with the rocks and they're making rock formations. So we started to build a berm in the front with the rubbish that we cut down. See, there's another clean walkway. Okay, and you can see this is the area that we're working on right now. All right, all this stuff that won't come down. You see, let me take it straight across. So that's looking towards the west side of the property, but we're nowhere near the west side. We're still on the eastern side, further away from the border. So this tree's been cleaned up a little bit. If I zoom back out, you can see it's not all frayed like that one is. Okay, and most of the stuff here is fishtail palm. It's very invasive. So yeah, that's the scramble that we have to figure out our way through. And then I'm gonna turn around and show you the original area that we've been working through. You're gonna notice a big difference today. Thanks to Uncle Lambert Kong, who came out. He was our driving force. He did a lot. So this was last night's camping area, and this is that 50-foot outdoor living space. Okay, so let's walk through. That cone is on top of a root that we still have to work on, and we've been clearing out that. That was a big vine jumbo. We have our brush wall there that separates us from the driveway. It's about to get noisy. Uncle's back to work. It's our little kitchen set up so we can feed ourselves. Of course, we have to pack that up every time. This was the area that you looked at before. These are all the down trees. Walking out into the driveway. We're gonna look back when we get away from the noise. So you see the driveway is getting more clear. The stumps in the front are pretty much cut. Okay. It's the brush wall, the original brush wall. More added to it with time. All that stuff's gonna get chipped down. And this used to be our walkway tunnel. It's all open now. All right. Okay, so I'll check back in with you guys later.